Good afternoon to our infinite God of yesterday, today, and forever. Blessed name 0123 6 4 Joseph. May continue to help and share more grace and blessings to all the Filipinos here in the Philippines and all over the world, to all your creation, to keep on praying every day for the full protection, guidance, and enlightenment. And we hope that everybody must be prayerful for our own good and preparation.